Sige lang, diha. Sure pa nagkaganahan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang malakit upat na lang. Asa mga uban na ni, naghana na ito. Nagpakikahoy. Okay, so I believe everyone knows addition, right? Now, do you believe birds can do math? Yes, well, the next part of the show will leave most people baffled and amazed. They're the trainers. But before we call in our mathematical wizard, I will be asking from you guys two numbers between 1 to 20. Can someone give me numbers from 1 to 20? Number 1 to 20. Sinyas. 6. 1, 6. How about the second number? 5. 5, right? Okay, 5. Okay, so our equation would be 16 plus 5. And we all know the answers, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if our great mathematician can solve the equation. But before that, let me shuffle the numbers first. So there you go, now the number had been shuffled. Now let's meet our mathematical wizards. No. Okay, so our equation is 16 plus 5. Trainer Nix Salvoro, do you think snow can answer the equation?
Yes.
Oo naman. Ako dyan naman po. Okay, stop. Please solve the equation for us. And she picked the first number, number 2. So guys, did you pick the first number correct? Yes! Good start, Snow. Now off to the second number. So Snow really loves math. Okay, so there you go. She answered it correctly. How about a round of applause for our mathematical wizards? No. May nanaka-prizes naman guys. Masama na islutan. Uha ka na niya. Tinaon, inana sa lutak no? Abi na mo ganiha, kinaghan mag-isa. Huwag naman niya. Okay. Now do you think that Goldie can find a hidden object for us? If it's a yes, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie!
You can do it, Goldie!
Okay, Goldie, find a hidden object for us, please. We're going to be Goldie searching, scanning each cup. Where it can be. There you go, she found it! How about a round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie? Okay guys, so earlier we have shown you our different kinds of macaws and electus parrot. Now this time, we would like to show you our different kinds of cockatoos here in Cebu Ocean Park. Now, there are 21 different kinds of cockatoo species living across the globe. And here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have 3 different kinds. We have the sulfur-crested cockatoo, the umbrella cockatoo, and lastly, our blue-cat cockatoo. So guys, are you ready to meet our cockatoo? Yes! Now let's call in Pretty, Nigel, and Snow. So once again, you're gonna have an up-close and personal with these lovely creatures. Same drill guys, no touching of birds. Okay, so first up with me here is Tweety. So Tweety is a sulfur-crested cockatoo, or its scientific name is Cakatua elvita. So these birds prefer their habitats along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforests. These birds are primarily white with black curved bill, and they have a distinctive yellow sulfur crest and a yellowish color of their underside beak and tail feathers. So that's all for Tweety, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Okay, next up, which in our feed right there is Nigel. So Nigel is an umbrella cockatoo, or known as white cockatoo or great white-crested cockatoo. So their scientific name is Cakatua alba. This bird can be easily distinguished through the other cockatoo by their wholly white crest that graces like an umbrella. So guys, if you can compare Tweety to Nigel, you can clearly Atua monocensus. So these birds inhabit Sarawak archipelago in eastern Indonesia. They are the largest among the white galaxy species, typically known as Spilornis solospilus. This bird can be easily distinguished through one well-defined spots over its body, and they have a yellow face. So as you can see, our eagle right there have a bigger and have a stronger body. That's why they tend to prey on larger animals such as rodents, other birds, and reptiles. And did you know that they are called serpent eagles because in the wild they love to prey snakes. And as you can see, guys, both our trainers are using a gloves that is called a falconry gauntlet. It is used to protect our skin from their sharp talons and beak. Okay, there you go. Magnificent ride. How the round of applause for the Philippines.
Pinagbukan
Okay,
na
so this is a clip you are just a fun box. Both Kingdom and Freddy are resting for homing pigeons. So homing pigeons come in homing meaning they will go back to nest to mate. They have a special sense called magneto listen.
Ipauli ko sa...
Pilapil nung gagmay na.
Kami na nagagmay do.
Pilapil walay labot.
Ni una na ipauli ito mo sa... Ikapoy.
Ano na gito sa...
Basag na nagay ito na.
Puto upod sa...
Naningkamot mo dito ako. Katuma na gaya na. Uy, mabaunin na po.
Pakapin ng Chinese New Year.
They are locally known as Alawin or Manok in the Visayas region. So these birds can be found in Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as red-masked eagles. So did you guys know that this bird indulges kleptoparasitism? It's an ability where this bird can obtain other animals' food without exerting much effort, time, and energy. So guys, kung medyo familiar sa inyo na mas kung sa kita ng mga bird, pauni ang logo ni Kuya Kim sa iyang show, Mamantang
Lawi.
Very good. Okay, there you go. Brownie Bird Kingdom. Now in the world of birds of prey, also widespread in the forest and open woodlands of northern and central South America. And there you go, folks. Our show is officially started. How about a round of applause for flag-raising bird bandits? Okay, so hello everyone. Hep hep. Hooray! Okay, so maayong hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Parks Happy Together. So by the way, my name is PJ and I'm going to be your host for this afternoon. Now our next featured birds are just like any married couples, monogamous, meaning they only have one partner the entire lifetime. Pretty romantic, isn't it? But as any couples would attest, in our relationships there always be battles. Now let's meet our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, Blue and Azul. So today, they will battle it over who is the best in the basketball game. So let's wait for lovely birds. So, but before we continue, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now, all the boys will cheer for Blue. Come on, boys! See, go Blue! Go Blue! And all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on, girls! See, go Azul! Go Azul! Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? I can't hear you. Are you guys ready? Ready, trainers ready, get set, go! Now here comes both to the table. Now first ball for both first, second ball for both first, and the last ball. Blue wins this game. That's alright, Azul. Okay, so to prevent you guys lose this game, what can you say? Ikaw kasi Azul.
Hold it next, let's do another race.
Oh, he wants another race next.
Are you sure about that? You want the two to win?
This time, we're sure that Azul will win.
With the confidence sila si Azul o si Tuner GB.
So what race do you have in mind?
What race by the way?
Let's do a ring race.
So what is the ring race?
So the first bird who can drop all 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
So our ring race it shall be. Now remember boys that boys already want 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. And we're gonna do it for a ring race. Okay guys, are you ready for the second round? Okay, so birds ready, trainers ready, get set, go! Now here comes looking for the first ring leading the way. Now here comes the second ring. Hey, what is this? Azul gets out of 3 rings at the same time. What a clever technique by the girls. Trainers, did you see that? 3 rings at the same time. What did you say?
Hey, you guys cheated.
What did you guys see?
No, I didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Okay, so is it true that the girls are wiser than boys? Okay, now a round of applause for a beautiful pair of blue and gold, of blue and Azul. Okay, guys, now this time I need an adult volunteer with a money bill. Just raise your hand and I'll choose. I need a volunteer with a money bill. 100, 500, 20, 50 in the bills will live. Volunteer, please. Volunteer. A volunteer with, okay, you ma'am, please come join the front and bring with you your money bill. Bring a money bill, ma'am. Any bills will do. 20, 50, 100, 500, 1,000, 2,000 people, any bills will do. So guys, as you'll notice, most of our birds in the show are parrots. It's because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. They have a good memory and can remember even the smallest and slightest details. Okay, there you go. Now that we have volunteer for today. Okay, now can you just stand right here? Stand right here, man. Okay, first of all, may I have your name, please? What's your name?
Hello everyone, my name is Buena.
How about a round of applause for volunteer, Manuela? So face towards me and extend your left arm sideways like this. Sideways like this. Now, as I be putting the money between your fingers. Now, ma'am, no matter what happened, don't move or swing your arm. Okay? Now, do you have any idea what will gonna happen next?
You're going to give me money. I think the bird.
The bird will. You'll see. Okay. So I'll give you a hint, ma'am. A crocodile will jump over the water and get the money. Is that okay with you? Okay, rata, ma'am. Crocodile.
Okay, ikaw mauna muna.
Just joking with our ma'am. Now, here comes our money bird balloon. Our money bird balloon can detect if the money is fake or not. So, blue, shall we? Now, blue flies over, gets the money. Now, what's next? Blue flies back into the table, and I guess blue wants to donate the money. How about a round of applause for General Star, Madam Muela? Ganon ka-generous si Madam Muela, mabili siya muna ng 100 pesos. Okay, ma'am, meron tasan. Okay ka lang ba sa 100 pesos, ma'am?
My Tita Susie is okay with that.
Okay lang pala, ma'am. Nagdagan natin, ma'am, 500, ma'am. Sabihin kay tita, ma'am. 500 pesos, ma'am. Meron ba?
It's good. I don't want to hold a lot of money.
Wala na daw. So, Actually, Mom, we're just kidding. This is partial. We will return your money, but before that, Blue wants to have a picture with you for souvenir. Okay, so just follow trainer Nick's instruction. Now, give us your best pose and best smiles together with our Money Bird Blue on Instagram. Okay. How about the case from Blue? Okay, there you go. And here's the money bag. How about a round of applause our volunteer and our Money Bird Blue? Okay, so up next, let's get up close and personal with our three different kinds of pirates that we have here in Cebu Ocean Park. So you'll get a close interaction with our lovely birds. So guys, maduol mi sa inyo tabangan o amoy may naila mo tagsa-tagsa ka mga bird. So just a friendly reminder, don't try to reach or touch or grab the feathers of our birds para dili sila makuratan. And also to prevent accident. Okay? Now let's call in our green wing macaw bandits, our eclectus parrot red and our blue and gold macaw goalie. Okay guys, that is bandit, this is red, and this one is goldie. Okay, so first up in my left, trainer Nick Salvaro is bandit. So bandit is a green wing macaw. As you can see, their body is covered with mostly red plumage. Its wing and tail feathers are blue and green. And this macaw has a white naked face type with small red feathers. They are the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. That's why they're called the gentle giants of the parrot family. Their scientific name is Arab or Raptor. Say hi to everyone, bandit. Hello.